Hi, I'm Todd King with the Accident Recovery Team, again with some of our frequently asked questions. One of our frequently asked questions is, I've been injured at work, I have a work comp case, can't I treat with my own doctor? The short answer, well, there isn't a short answer, this will take a minute, but it's kind of complicated. The answer is yes, you can treat, but they're not going to pay for it. So here's the breakdown. In the work comp in Kansas, other states can be different, but in Kansas, the insurance, the employer's insurance, the work comp insurance gets to designate the authorized treating physician. They will pay 100% of that bill. They'll pay you mileage to drive to the doctor's appointment and back, but they get to designate your treating doctor. All the bills incurred from the doctor they send you to and they authorize is referred to, appropriately enough, as authorized medical. By definition, then, if you go somewhere other than that, that's unauthorized medical. So there's no prohibition in the law that says you can't go see someone other than the authorized doctor, but they're not going to have to pay for it. So you can go to your family doctor as long as you understand that limitation. But that brings up a few questions. The first is, if you are not compliant, if you're refusing to go to the authorized doctor because you'd rather go to your family doctor, one, you're incurring bills that they don't have to pay, but two, the statute has a provision that talks about non-compliance. If you don't comply with the doctor that they send you to, they can stop treating you, number one. They can stop paying you, number two. They can file a motion with the judge to have the case suspended entirely. You don't want to be non-compliant. So you could be treating with the authorized treating physician as you're supposed to. You could also see your family doctor on the side, for example, as long as you're willing to incur that bill. That raises the next question. If you're incurring unauthorized care on the side, will your health insurance cover it? And unfortunately, the answer many times is no. If you're incurring a bill that is related to a work-related injury, your health insurance is going to, sometimes they'll miss it, you might get lucky. But for the most part, your health insurance is going to stop and say, well, wait a minute, why are we paying a bill for a work-related injury? That should be covered under work comp. So you're standing there, you've incurred some medical bills, you got your health insurance saying no, you got work comp saying no. Unfortunately, if you do that and you create that situation, the answer is that bill has to be taken in front of the work comp judge for a determination and a court order. Once you secure a court order, either that says work comp's going to have to cover it, great. But if it says no, this is not a work comp bill, it's unauthorized, work comp does not have to pay it, you now have a court order in your hand that you can take to your health insurance and they should pay the bill at that point. They'll have to pay the bill at that point. The other issue then finally is there is a $500 unauthorized medical provision within the statute. What that means is if you go out and incur an unauthorized bill, you can actually get $500 of that bill paid by the work comp carrier for this provision. The reason it's in the statute is it's supposed to afford you an opportunity for a second opinion. I would be cautious in burning up the unauthorized medical bill just to go see a family doctor who does not understand the work comp system, the legal issues in play, and some of the terms of art that are used within the legal system that we need when we have an expert, for example. That money is better spent, that unauthorized medical reimbursement is better spent with an expert, somebody that we have selected for you that will see you, review medical records, and provide us the legal opinions and definitions that we're going to need in the courtroom. That's the best way to use the unauthorized medical. So the answer to the question which was posed is, can I go see my family doctor? Yes, you can, but be wary of these pitfalls. So there you go, frequently asked question of the day. I'm Todd King with the Accident Recovery Team. Give us a call at 316-267-TEAM. See ya.